Have you ever wondered what makes this place so special? Why is it called the heart of Palestine and the soul of Islam? Why do millions of Muslims around the world cry when they hear the name of Masjidil Aqsa? What secrets lies beneath its shining golden dome? Why did every prophet, from Hazrat Adam to Hazrat Isa, turn their hearts toward this land? Why did Allah choose this exact place for the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ to begin his miraculous journey to the heaven? What hidden stories sleep beneath its stones? Stories that even time couldn't erase. Is Al-Aqsa just a mosque, or is it something far greater? Something that connects earth and heaven, history and destiny. And if it's truly sacred, why does it remain at the center of conflict, pain, and tears every day? Today in this video, we will discuss all these questions. We will uncover the incredible secrets of Masjidil Aqsa, a place where the past speaks, the present bleeds, and the future still waits for light. Masjidil Aqsa is one of the most misunderstood holy cities on earth. Many people think the Golden Dome itself is Al-Aqsa, but that is not true. The Golden Dome you see is called the Dome of the Rock, one part of a much larger sacred area. The real Masjidil Aqsa is the entire compound, spreading over 35 acres. It includes the Dome of the Rock, the Qibli Mosque, ancient gates, marble courtyards, and even underground chambers. Every stone, every olive tree, and every wall of this land is blessed. In the Holy Quran, Allah Almighty Himself says, "Glory be to Him who took His servant by night from Masjidul Haram to Masjidil Aqsa, whose surroundings we have blessed." This verse talks about the miracles of Isra and Miraj, the night when the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was carried from Mecca to Al-Aqsa on a heavenly creature called Buraq. From this sacred land, he ascended to the heavens to meet Allah, to witness paradise, and to receive the command of the prayer. It was in Al-Aqsa that the Prophet led to all other prophets in prayer. Hazrat Adam, Hazrat Ibrahim, Hazrat Musa, Hazrat Isa all stood together behind him. No other place on earth carries such a honor. But the story of Al-Aqsa began long before that night. According to Hadith, it was the second house of worship or built on earth, just 40 years after the Kaaba. It was first established by Prophet Adam alayhimussalam, rebuilt by Prophet Ibrahim alayhimussalam, and beautifully expanded by Prophet Sulaiman alayhimussalam. Prophet Sulaiman prayed to Allah that anyone who comes to this mosque purely for worship, may all their sins be forgiven, and their life is pure as the day they were born. Beneath the surface of Al-Aqsa lies mysterious underground chambers, stones arch, sealed tunnels, and ancient passageways. Some call them Sulaiman's stables, built thousands of years ago. Historians still debate their true origin, but Muslims believe that every part of this blessed land carries the footsteps of prophets and angels. Through history, Al-Aqsa has witnessed empires rise and fall. It was captured, destroyed, and rebuilt many times by Babylonians, Romans, Crusaders, and Muslims. In the 12th century, the brave warrior Salahuddin Ayyubi reclaimed it from the Crusaders. When he entered Al-Aqsa, he did not celebrate the pride. He fell to his knees, wept, and thanked to Allah. He knew he was standing on holy ground, the same ground where prophets once prayed. But today Al-Aqsa stands in chains once again, surrounded by walls, guarded by soldiers, and shadowed by fear. For Palestinians, praying there is not easy. They are stopped, searched, and sometimes attacked, yet they never give up. Every morning, when the azan echoes across Jerusalem, it is more than a call to prayer. It's a cry of resistance, a song of faith that refuses to die. Because Masjidil Aqsa is not only in Palestine, It lives in the heart of every Muslim. It reminds us who we are and what we stand for. It connects us to our history, our prophets, and our Creator. When a Muslim raises his hand in dua for Al-Aqsa, his voice joins millions of others around the world, all whispering the same prayer. O Allah, protect Al-Aqsa, the land you have blessed. Masjidil Aqsa is more than a mosque. It is a living symbol of faith and patience, and of the promises that no matter how dark the night becomes, the light of truth will always rise again. So remind this, Masjidil Aqsa is not waiting to discover. It is waiting to remember. It doesn't just need protection, it needs connections from every believer, from every heart that still beats with love for Allah. Because no matter how many walls surround it, no matter how many times enemies try to silence it, the voice of Al-Aqsa will continue to rise through the sky. A voice that says to the world, faith cannot be occupied and light can never be taken away. Subscribe.